So, because we are successful with Windows 7 on the Polish market, but as it is very important, it's only one product. We see out of the various products which we announced this year, Microsoft spends $9 billion annually, even more, $9.5 billion annually on research. That's a huge amount of money. I have to say I was questioning myself where the money is going and where are the main areas you see of our investments, and what do you expect to happen in the near future?
I think it's a huge amount of money, of course, 9.5 billion. I think today Microsoft is by far the number one company betting on his future, because when you do so much spending, you need to have a very strong confidence on the future. From a product perspective, I think it's fair to say that you have all the categories touching the consumer side. Somehow you may say Windows 7 is on one side on the consumer side, on one side on the enterprise. But so you will have some development there. Windows Mobile is a very important area, which support in fact the strategy of Microsoft somehow, which could be summarized into free screens and the cloud. The free screen means what? It's on one side you have the PC and the screen of the PC, and the second one is the TV that people use more and more from a video game opportunity or watching information and so on. And the third one is the mobile, the telephone and the cellular phone. And all these three, I think, needs to have a seamless integration, coordination in terms of the application, especially in terms of experience. And not only between these three screens, but also, in fact, when you reach the internet services. And what Microsoft is doing today is really to try to develop and invest in these four dimensions, so that, in fact, whether you are a user of a desktop on the Windows 7 or Windows Server on the enterprise space and using a cell phone and you want to access all your information both at home or in the enterprise, you use your Xbox, when you are playing your games, you have this opportunity to still be in constant communication, instant messaging with the other people. And if you want to access to services, you will be able to do it with the same seamless, opportunity. But of course, the important thing is to also give to the partner ecosystem and the developers the opportunity to develop applications so that any type of consumer enterprise will be fulfilled. So that's the way we are putting the money there.